got one! Before I get into this video, I want to tell you this phone costs $80 as we offer 50% discount off. You can find the link in the description for up-to-date price in real time. Alright, let's get started. So as you can see, Umidigi A3X is a compact, slender phone when compared to the Umidigi X or Xiaomi. And it's all about holding them in your hands. This is a key comparison. This is how they feel when you're holding them in your hand. It's elegant and minimalize it. To be more accurate, the phone dimension 147.2mm length, 70.2mm width and 8.7mm thick. The build material metal frame and glass case body weighing about 156 grams. The interface dual nano SIM card slot and micro SD card slot for up to 256 GB for extending the storage. Micro USB port for charging and audio jack for earphones. Power button and volume button. The phone runs on the latest Android 10 stock, featuring 5.7-inch notch screen display with a resolution of 1512 by 720 pixels. This is the only one downside of the phone, but other than that, that's just the numbers. The screen goes very bright and you still can enjoy watching videos or playing some games from the Google Play Store. Under the hood is a quad-core Mediatek MT6761 CPU along with PowerVR GPU, 3 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. It's not high-tech, but for the price, this phone deserves your attention. As for the camera, the Umidigi comes with a dual 16 plus 5 megapixels lens featuring a single LED flash and autofocus. A front-facing camera 13 megapixels featuring with AI FaceID recognition and beauty mode. 3300 mAh battery with quick charging support, fingerprint unlock, Face ID unlock, a bottom speaker to the right of the micro USB port. The speaker is loud enough at max volume without any distortions. However, there's some certain lack of bass and treble. And that's all for today's video. If you have any suggestions, comments, questions about the phone itself, please do not hesitate to write the comment. And that's all. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.